here with Mandela8. We came to South Africa, and so far my experience has been very insightful. I've seen the struggles, and not only the struggles but the good side as well, where I can see empowerment with the youth as well. The ability with MOT as well. I've learned that they've also trying to teach the youth on how to build courage and kind of know that in the future that there's stuff there for them to be made available for them. And it's been really great to see that it's being made possible here as well.
Hello, my name is Miller, and today I had the fortunate opportunity of joining with South Africa with the event that they have commemorating Nelson Mandela, the absolute legend of South Africa, making a big impact. Absolutely amazing workshop. It means a lot. Everyone's connecting a lot. We are engaging. We are learning a lot about each other, and also delving into the deeper stuff of South Africa, especially with the youth unemployment, and also everything that the youth is facing regarding peer pressure, and trying to push that into schools and making a difference in South Africa and for the